Fresh clean tees, round 2. Let's do this. I think I'm out of like the frame. My hat is out of the frame. Whatever. So after my first video review, I received a surprise email from the CEO of Fresh Clean Tees, and let's just say he wasn't too happy with what I had to say in that video. But no bad blood or animosity towards him or the company. We did go back and forth in a respectful manner, and he actually insisted I review some of their new stuff. And I put that offer on hold for a few weeks because I still wanted to see how the first t-shirts held up after a few wears. A quick update with the t-shirts. They've been through a wash and a dry plenty of times, and they are still holding up very well. So I reached back to the CEO and took him up on his offer to, you know, make this video review. Today we're going to be looking at their Polos, Henley, t-shirt, hoodie, crew neck sweatshirt, and socks. Starting with the Polos, it's the exact same fabric blend they are using on their t-shirts. No surprise there. I want to say that these actually feel a bit more softer compared to the first batch of t-shirts that I purchased. Pretty nice. A few details that I noticed right out of the packaging is the black polo has a red contrast stitching on one side of the buttons, which is a nice touch. Also, rather than going with plastic buttons that are the exact same color as the polo, they went with these contrasting marble buttons, which, you know, it's still plastic, but it's still a nice subtle detail. For the fit, I want to say that going true to size is your safest option with these polos. It is a bit roomy around the arms and waist, but I don't think I will size down for this one. Now, if I were to categorize the fit of these polos like denim, I would say that these are a straight fit, maybe a slim straight, but not slim or skinny or super skinny. Now moving on to the Henley, the same style buttons and contrast red stitching as their polos. It still has a straight fit on the chest and waist area, but I feel like the sleeves are a bit shorter and tighter compared to their polos. Now as for the hoodie and crew neck, it's a soft 80-20 blend and a 60-40 that's, you know, not too thin or bulky. But here's something that I came across when I was taking off this hoodie for, you know, when I was demonstrating the fit. Alright, just to make sure this is all one shot, no camera tricks at all. Fresh clean tees, you see that right there printed. Okay, I'm going back, going inside now. Oh, here we go. Where does it say that? Okay, whatever, you see the tag here. It's a great tag. I don't know if the camera can focus, but on the bottom behind it says produced by YS Garments, Next Level Apparel. You know, I actually have a code and an affiliate link with this company now. So what I could do is right now, if I wanted to, I could just cut this video out, do this, and just do another take.
This is probably the softest hoodie I've ever felt. The quality on this thing, it's amazing, guys. If I were you, I'd purchase this right now. Seriously, the best hoodie of all time.
But of course, I'm not gonna do that. Some of you guys know how I roll. I just call it like I see it, and some people think everything I review is a paid sponsor. But yeah, I mean, there's the proof right there. No more speculations, no more, you know, rumors or anything. They are, you know, sourcing their stuff at Next Level Apparel. So there's that. The crew neck, I'm gonna do my research on this. This one does not have the label on the inside of it, but I'm pretty sure Next Level does make something similar to this, so I'll make sure to look it up before posting. But let me finish this review though, because we haven't gotten to the wash test yet. So the socks, so quick review on the socks. The socks are cool. I wasn't expecting much for a pair of socks, but I like how like the jersey vented weaving these socks have, and it's like a very nice thick material that sits, you know, below the ankle. Pretty nice socks. I consider purchasing these. So wash test, let's get to it. Now for the polos, they did shrink a bit, like about 15%, but for me personally, I think it looks a lot better after a wash and hot dry cycle. So quick note, if you like the initial fit, then make sure to be careful when washing these. Now the Henley didn't shrink much on the torso area, but I felt the sleeves shrunk a bit higher and tighter, which is something that I don't really like on t-shirts. So for me personally, I give the polos and socks a thumbs up. I think these will make great everyday casual polos. I do not believe they are sourcing these from Next Level Apparel. And I also, the t-shirts as well, I think they updated that as well. I've shown it in a past video review comparing them to Next Level Apparel. The Henley, I'd still wear it, but the high sleeves really isn't my thing, so I personally wouldn't purchase another one. As for the crew neck and hoodie, easy pass, save your money guys, and go buy it directly at those wholesale websites. I don't know what else to say, and there's nothing else Fresh Clean Tees can say because the proof is in the pudding, or in this case, the label is in the hoodie. But anyways guys, that wraps up this video review. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I think this review was much I think it was a fair, straightforward review. I wasn't as nitpicky as the last one, I think, and I think I've expressed everything very clearly. So yeah, all right guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace.